Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add music to your Instagram post. Let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Then, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new Instagram post. Select the photo or video that you want to post, and once you're done, click on the next button at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you may choose the filter that you want to apply to your post. Once you're satisfied, click on the next button once again. Now here's the fun part. Look for the Add Music button. Tap on that to open the music library. You can search for specific songs, artists, or genres in the music library. Just type in your desired keywords and browse the results. When you find a perfect song, tap on it, and from there, you may customize how the music appears in your post. You can choose the specific segment of the song that you want to use, adjust the starting point and duration to fit your content. Once you're satisfied with the music selection and settings, tap Done to add the music to your Instagram post. Before you share your post, you can add captions, tags, and location if desired. Then, hit the share button once you're ready to post. And there you go! Your Instagram post is now complete with music. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!